Hi Bestie, in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of Hadley Designs budget planner, desk planner, teacher planner, and a daily planner. So if any of those things interest you, hopefully you decide to stay along with this unboxing of a flip through of all of the planners. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. Hi Bessie, welcome to my page. So glad that you're here with me today, guys. I am so excited. So recently I had been approved to become an Amazon associate. And so I was looking through the things that were available. Of course, I was looking for planner items and budget planners. So I ran across Hadley Designs. And so she has an opportunity I was able to select 5 items from a list. These, I did not pay for them, but they are available on Amazon, and I want to share with you the items that I got. So the 5 items that I did pick was the teacher planner, a budget planner, a daily planner, desk calendar, and a toddler potty training chart. So I'm just excited to see all of the items that I chose, and hopefully there's something that you would like from the items. So let me go ahead and open up all of the items that I selected. I'm going to fast forward and then really get right into doing a flip through of everything. Alright, so now that we have everything open, I'm going to start off with the potty training chart. Okay, so stop. So let me flip over. So here are the steps that you follow with the potty training. And it gives you the tips at the bottom. Okay, so now it has, oh, this is cute, the castle chart. This is the princess one. Okay, we got more than one in the pack, which is absolutely great. And I'm in the stage of potty training my granddaughter, so this is absolutely perfect. This is cute. I didn't have nothing like this when my daughter was this age. This is great. Oh, and so then you get several stickers to place on the circles on the chart. This is cool. So if you have any toddlers and you potty training, so when I was on their website, they do have different designs available. So not just this princess castle design, they have different designs as well. Absolutely looking forward to utilizing the potty training chart. That's something new because like I said, I've never done that before with my daughter. So looking forward to using that. Okay, so next I did select this desk calendar. It is 18 months. So it's from this year, 2025 to 2026. And I'm going to, since we're in August, I'm going to show you all the months until I get to August. I'm looking forward to using this. I haven't had a desk calendar in a long time. She does have different designs to choose from, but this was the design I wanted. I think I wanted the cork looking paper, the brown paper, because, I'm into the blackout planning paper with my planners and my journals. And I'm looking forward to having this on my desk and placing some of my planner stickers on this. And it's awesome because it is 18 months. And I do like at the beginning for each month, there is different designs at the top. It's based on the seasonal. Really like this. And I do have enough space to jot down due dates, appointments or any events that I have planned for the month. And then on the side, you do have your check it off and then a note section as well. So make sure to check this out. Like I said, she has different designs available, but this is the one I chose. So make sure you check out her desk counters. Like I said, it's 18 months. So even though we're still in August, we're in August, you still have until 2026 to utilize the desk calendars as well. Okay. Girls, I am excited about this. Cause I do have to, when I'm working at my desk, I do like to jot down notes, and this is big enough for me to jot down and enough space for me to write things in the box per day. So I'm excited about that. So now let me get the planners. Okay. So this planner here is the daily planner. It's cardboard covers, and the purple one is a budget planner. Okay, and as you can see, it's a spiral planner as well. So we're going to start off with the daily one. You are tougher than your toughest days. Okay, so we start off with the planner belongs to page. So you can jot down your name and your information. So you can jot down your plans for today, your priorities, to-do list, your gratitude, and for tomorrow. Then you have your notes page. And as I stated, this is a daily planner. And it looks like the pages are the same. And you do have enough space to jot down whatever your plans are for the day. And this is really nice. And I really like this, guys. It has a whole lot of pages in here as well. This is really nice, guys, and it's really sturdy too. Oh, okay. It has stickers in here as well. Oh, us planner girls love stickers. This is nice. This is real nice. So when I selected this, I did not know it came with stickers. And she does have different cover designs for the daily planner as well. With all her planners, she has different cover designs you can choose from. Alright, so invest in your future. Okay, it does start off like the other one, but it has the bank on there this planner belongs to. Okay, so now you have a financial goals section where you can jot down 5 financial goals, a note page. Okay, I like this yearly overview. I love snapshot views when it comes to your planners. Love, love, love this. Oh gosh, I like this. Okay, you have your bill tracker as well. One thing I can say, you have ample lines to jot down your bills and your subscriptions, which is absolutely great. Next, we have some saving trackers. So you can track various categories and set a goal due date, and you have a couple of pages for your savings tracker, which is awesome as well. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so next we have debt tracker. It's the same format as the savings tracker, but some of the headings are definitely different. Love this. And it looks like it's more debt trackers than the savings tracker. So you have ample space for that, and then you have your notes. Alright, so here's a dashboard. Alright, so now we're at the monthly. Okay, and it is undated, so you can customize it towards your need, which is absolutely great. Okay, so next we have your monthly goals, a checklist. You can jot down your income, your savings, and then you have your monthly budget page where you have your various categories. Next, you have your expense trackers. Love this, because you definitely want to check that off, and it has where you can put your card or cash. Have several pages for the month for that. And then you have your monthly budget review. Really, really love this as well. I think it's great every month to look at your finances to see how you did. And you have a note page and a tip. And then another dashboard. Track, save, achieve. And I'm sure that you will see the same for the next 12 months. And it looks like the dashboard for each month is different. And I love the size of the daily and the budget planner. It's compact. It's not too huge. Really love that. Okay, so this is financial freedom starts with you. I love this dashboard. All right, every dollar has a purpose. Yes, it does. So we're going to skip and go to each dashboard for each month. The best way to get things done is to begin. Definitely true. And I love the monthly tips as well. Great tips to start the month off. Money saved is money earned. That piggy bank in pink is so pretty. Alright. Master your money, master your destiny. These dashboards are definitely motivational. Okay, and I love this tip here as well. So the tip every month is different. Make every penny count. Yes, you need to know where your money is going for sure. Budget for a better life. I'm loving this budget planner as well. Save today, smile tomorrow. Okay. Dream big, budget smartly. That purple is gorgeous as well. I know there's a lot of purple lovers within the community as well as pink lovers. All right, every day is a fresh start. Yes, it is. Okay. All right, so now you have a holiday budget and then you have a holiday spending tracker. This is nice. All right, so you have page for your summary of the year. Man, I absolutely love the summary pages, guys, because I love the snapshot view. Okay, so you got a check register in here as well. Okay, your accounts information. Okay, and now we have some stickers in this planner as well. Okay, so I really like this planner. And I'm looking forward to trying this out. And I will have this information in the description as well. Okay, so this is the teacher planner, lesson plans, and as I stated before, each planner has multiple different covers that you can choose from, but I was able to choose one from each section. Okay, so it starts off with your substitute information. Then you have your field trip planner 2. Okay. Next, you have your daily schedule. Okay, you have your student information. Important dates, and it has a rectangle for each month. So it's important dates and birthdays. Alright, you have your monthly plan, special events and holidays, student birthdays, top tasks and goals. Okay, teaching is a work of art. Okay, then you have your weekly layout. Okay, so you have several weekly layouts to jot down your lesson plans for the week. Okay. Then it starts all over with the special events, birthdays, and you have your calendar, and it's undated. And then it starts off with the weekly again. And it repeats itself. Okay, so the teacher planner is similar to how the budget planner, each month is the same, but the monthly dashboard changes. And I shared the teacher planner with my daughter yesterday. Teacher plans the bulb of the future. They definitely do. And I shared the planner with her and got her to flip through it and give her opinion of it. And she absolutely loved it. She teaches fifth grade. So she's an elementary school teacher. And she liked the format of it. Teach, love, inspire. I always love the teacher quotes as well. Inspire, empower, educate. Look at the heart apple. So I was happy to get her point of view for this. Teacher plants the seeds that grow forever. Yes. Cause I remember my teachers from elementary school and I'm 50 and I remember them clearly. And when I see them today, nowadays I was like, you remember me? And it's just amazing how your teachers from elementary school remember you. And here I am in my 50s. But yeah, I absolutely love this planner. Be somebody who makes everybody feel like somebody. Yes, I absolutely love this. But for everything that I shared today, okay, so you have my year review and then you have teacher stickers. You have stickers in this one as well. Okay. But for the teacher planner, you have more than one page. Okay. Oh wow, you have another page too. So that's it, bestie. I will have the information with my affiliate link to Amazon in the description for each item. Make sure you check out the other cover designs that Hadley Design have of each. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Toodles.